Your next amazing project starts here. There's never been a better time to join Justhands-on.tv, Britain's premier online classes for quilting, knitting, crochet, embroidery and textile art. Learn a new skill, try a new pattern, create something amazing. Our workshops are led by world-class tutors and textile artists with years of classroom experience, inspiring people just like you. When you subscribe to Justhands-on.tv, you'll enjoy unlimited access to a vast library of videos, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, when the time is right for you. Pause, fast forward and rewind, or repeat the tutorials as much as you like. Follow at your own pace so you don't miss a thing.
What I love about Justhands-on.tv is that there are so many videos to explore.
There's always something new you can learn. There's always a new stitch or a new technique.
It's a great source of inspiration.
Where will your creativity lead you? Start your 7-day free trial with Justhands-on.tv now. Our tutors are devoted to inspiring and helping you create beautiful projects. From complete beginners to advanced crafters, we cater for every skill level. Our inspirational videos cover a huge array of projects, from beautiful quilts and stunning embroidery, to delightful knitting and crochet patterns, from beading and embellishing designs, to block printing and dyeing. There is so much you can achieve.
If you want to learn new skills, get interested in new passions, then Justhands-on.tv is the place to go.
There's new videos every week, topical crafts and loads of great advice.
Where will your creativity lead you? Find the subscription that's right for you, from just 1 month to annual recurring, or stay tuned to hear about our very special offer.
There are so many different crafts to learn about and to be inspired by.
It really offers something for anyone at any level.
Even if you don't know a knitting needle from a sewing needle, you'll be up and creating in no time.
1 click, that's all it takes to subscribe and get unlimited access to over 1,600 videos of full-length classes, hints and tips, interviews with artists and more. You get first view of new videos released every Friday. You get workshop notes and select patterns. You get access to our shop, stocked with books, fabric and patterns featured in the videos. You get exclusive entry to competitions and giveaways, and you become part of the growing Justhands-on.tv community. In no time, you'll be creating pieces to be proud of, from gorgeous cushions and stunning home decor to beautiful quilts and knitted animals that the kids will love. Plus, with this incredible offer, you'll get your first year at half price. That's only $29.99 for a whole year. Go to Justhands-on.tv now.